Hey guys, sorry it's been a long time coming for this. I wanted to do this unboxing video from Sky High for a long time. I have not seen what's in these boxes yet or packages. I've been seriously sick in the hospital, and this is my only chance I've had to have an unboxing. So without any further ado, here guys, let's get into it. All right. Boy, they package it real good at Sky High. You gotta love them for that. Ah. Alright, yes sirree. There's my receipt. My order receipt. Yep. Alright, and this is the last of my Sky High wire. Black OSC. The only stuff I run it in Presinator. Thanks to the a-hole in Tennessee, I gotta run everything brand new in Presinator. All right, let's get on to this next one here. Oh yeah, you guys that have these Steve Mead knives, they are very sharp. That'll be enough, yeah. Oh, another receipt. Hey, what do I got here? Alright, that's cool. I got some more more grommets. And then, yeah, I got some more orange heat shrinks. And then, guys, yeah, I got some black ones too in there. Then I got some copper worn-out lugs in there. Man, and yes, I am running all copper in my car. Okay, and last but not least, I got this one here. Now, let me see if I can get this plastic here. or not. And another receipt. Man, I can't wait to use these grommets, guys. Those are gonna be great. I've got 2 more, and those are gonna be 2 more I use. I've been dying to see these. These are gonna be for my amp. Wow. Would you look at that, guys? Those are going to be my new 1-aught amp inputs. I put the wire in right there, and the screws don't go down right there, and that part right there plugs into my amp. Man, I got 4 of them puppies. Man, those are nice. And let's see. Oh, heck yeah. Heck yeah. My old Crescendo linear is kind of had so. Oh, let me untangle this thing. It got it up in a knot. Yeah. I got the new Sky High car audio lineared. Man, super cool. It's got the old logo on the back. Yeah. And see what else I got in there. I should have. Yeah, I got 2 more of those copper amp inputs. Man, guys, I really like these. But yeah, I got 2 more of these. I think these will work out just great. But yeah, I got 4 of those. Man. I am so excited to get my build going, guys. Man. This is going to be my 3rd, last, and final rebuild up. They always say, you say the best for last. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The best is for last. Oh, let me scoot around here. And sometime I plan on showing you guys a better video of my Jakar box that Daniel Powell and the guys at Jakar made for me. But I hope you guys like this big unboxing video of all my Sky High stuff. But for now, I am PC Mentalist saying please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel. And for now, I am the one and only PC Mentalist out.